Guys, welcome to Young, Wild, and Me. So we were watching this tree all day long. One leaf after another, and literally every single one of these leaves fell almost all today. So we thought, what is the funnest thing on the planet that most kids absolutely love? Playing in leaves, getting crazy, jumping in them. Probably not raking. Although Ashley seems to love raking, which has been a huge benefit. But we thought, you know, there's needles in haystacks, but we thought, you know what would be even funner? How about toys in a leaf stack? So here's us collecting all those leaves into a pile. There was a lot of them, so we thought we'd go ahead and time lapse this portion.
Hey, Ashley.
What?
Mommy! What are you doing? We were supposed to get all the leaves. We have so much more. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna rake anyway.
All right, come on, let's get back to raking. All right, so we got a bucket of toys and we're just gonna throw them in here. We're gonna mix it all up and we're gonna have the kids jump in and we're gonna see who can find the most toys, and then we're gonna open one each out of that and kind of show what each kid got. Hey Alex, you straight up look invisible, dude. Like I can't even see you, buddy, with your jacket. Oh my God, there's Alex with this crazy jacket.
We're just throwing them in.
Blends
started.
right in.
Okay,
all right, so guys, grab them and we'll mix them up. And then once we get this all mixed up, we're gonna have them jump in and try to see who gets the most.
A lot of stuff to find. We had what, 13 Thomas minis, 8 Hot Wheels, and 2 LOL balls, a glitter one and a Series 3 surprise ball.
So hopefully we can find them all. It's gonna be questionable. If not, it'd be kind of sad if we're throwing it in the trash in the end because we can't find it. But hopefully, I have a lot of faith in my children on finding toys that are hidden. So we're gonna find out. I think we got the pile. Hey, whoa. We're gonna count to 3. We're gonna count to 3. And then we're all gonna jump. 3, go.
This will be interesting.
Yeah, we're gonna see how this goes.
Never hidden toys in a leaf
No.
pile before.
All right, guys, start putting them in the bucket.
Ash, did you know where those were at? Somehow she got the 2 LOL dolls.
Yeah, I think
first.
she strategically knew where those were. Okay, guys. Wow, Alex, you got a bunch. All right, put it in the bucket. How many do you have there?
Okay, either this toy hunt is way easier than we thought, or Alex is just that good because he found a ton already. And you too, Ash. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Are our kids super good toy hunters, or was this just too easy?
Might have been 2. Well, there's a lot of toys in there. It's probably the first few are going to be easy, and then the end's going to be hard.
Yay, I found one!
All right.
Oh, here comes Bennett.
All right, put it.
I got the most.
Throw 'em in.
But I got the most. I got the most. I got the most.
You got a lot.
Okay, I'm going to count them up. Oh, here.
I
Okay.
got 5.
Well, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 2 more Thomas bags in there. Let's see. And 2 more Hot Wheels. Okay, so we got 2 more Hot Wheels in there and 2 more Thomas blind bags. So keep hunting, guys. They're on a mission.
Keep going, guys. Keep going.
Gotta keep hunting.
No, that's gonna take a while to clean up, huh?
That's it.
Up. Alex found another one.
So we're down to 1 Hot Wheel and 2 more Thomas Minis.
I stepped on it.
Well, that's okay.
Oh, Bennett found one.
I found it over
Nope, that's the one he's been hoarding.
No. I thought he found one.
Bennett
See, as I
He
predicted.
doesn't want to put his toys down.
Yeah, no, he never wants to with these things. As I predicted though, the first lot were super easy and it's the last needles.
Yeah, now it is like toys
in
in,
the-
a haystack.
Yeah. Oh, you found
Oh,
one.
nice. So we've got 1 more of each. 1 Cars, 1 Hot Wheels, and 1 Thomas Mini. How'd you go balls?
She's just pretending now that she's grabbing things. Good job, Ashley, for finding the same ball. Okay, put it in there. Let's go. Come on, guys.
Okay, 1 more. I think this part's the best part.
Oh, I agree. Oh, Ashley found the last one of the...
nice. Just 1 more
trains.
Hot Wheel.
One more Hot
I
Wheel.
got it more than anyone.
You did, but we need to find 1 more Hot Wheel. That's a triple bonus one for whoever can find that one.
And what's a triple bonus?
I don't know. I just made that up.
Oh, don't lose the one we found.
Aw. You're putting them right here, buddy.
You're gonna get to pick one. We gotta find the last one though. Come on, guys.
Believe it or not, that is Alex. I know he looks invisible with his jacket, but there he got the last one. So we found all of them.
I got super baby.
Oh, look at that.
I got this
So
guy.
cute with her
We
pink
got
glitter hair.
Salty.
What'd you get, Bennett?
What'd you get?
I
You got
got-
a super race car. He's
Open
angling to
it.
try to open it.
Something's open.
Yeah, and you got a super race car.
Mommy, I got super twins.
Well, hey guys, let us know if you guys have ever done this in terms of jumping in to leaves. Let us know how your trees are coming along in terms of leaves falling off. We have a lot of work ahead of us to get the rest of this cleaned up, and we got pretty far, but now it looks like we're gonna have to do it again.
We're super
But
baby.
make sure, guys, to like and subscribe on the video. Thank you for watching Young, Wild, and